I'm going to show you guys how I use the Denman brush today. I'm starting off just parting my hair in 4 sections, and this is just to get the hair out of the way. I'll be leaving one of the subsections down, and I'm just going to separate it into smaller pieces. Right now I am applying my leave-in Nexus no more split ends conditioner, and I just want to put that evenly throughout that hair. Here I'm spraying some Mix Chicks that I've just mixed with water in my spray bottle. It just helps my product last longer, and it does the same thing, gives me the same hold. It's a leave-in. I'm beginning to use the Denman brush, and I'm going to start by just detangling my ends a little bit, which I had already finger combed. Then I'm going to start, and yes, I'm doing this all wrong the first time. Bear with me, you guys. I will get it right, I promise. This second time I got it right. I managed to get a nice curl, and sometimes you just have to shake them and hit them just to get them into place. I know I didn't say this at the beginning, but I am adding oil as I go. I'm using an African's Best oil. You can get it from Walmart. And then I also noticed that I needed something a little heavier, so I added in my Hello Hydration at the tips of my hair. It's not a leave-in, but I'm using it as one because I need a little more hold, but I don't want too much hold where my hair is like super crunchy. That's why I'm only using these products. I'm just going to add a little product to my edges just to try to lay them down, because the front part of my hair is more coarse than the rest of my hair, so I need something to try to hold that part down. Now I am finished with my whole head, and I'm just going to let it air dry, and it probably takes the entire day for it to dry. This is the next day. Sorry for the close-up, but I want you guys to see the definition in the curls, and so here they are. Here, this is the way it turned out. I took the curls apart. They were in larger sections, and I just pulled them apart with oil on my hands. And I think I like it. I think it turned out pretty good, just for the fact that I do have hard water damage to my hair and heat damage. And I think that it's pretty cute. Now I just have to figure out how am I going to style it. I don't know if I'm going to keep it tossed to the side, part in the middle, or however. But if you guys have any suggestions on that, please comment below.